Today I will show you frame tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. In Adobe Photoshop, frame tool is located here under the slice or crop tool. We can deselect it. Now I am selecting frame tool from here. Its shortcut is K. Now I am freely draw a rectangle here. You can select, I can select this one. I am deleting it, this layer. I want to show you with this frame, rectangle frame. I am drawing it first. Then if I drag a image here, you can see it will automatically paste it inside the frame. So now it was blank white, now it is filled with that image. Okay, now you can see this is gray line. In the rectangle line is gray. When it is gray, I can repositioning or resizing the image. Whereas when I double click on it, I can move the entire image with the frame. Again, if you double click here, the frame, now you can easily move or I am double clicking rectangle gray color rectangle. Now I move this image and resize it. Okay, and another frame. Okay, now if I double click here, a new layer will be popped up and you can embed any image here. Also, we can right clicking here and replace the content, the image. I can change the image from here. So to see another version of it, I am select here. Now I want to show you circular frame. I am when drawing, if I hold down Shift or Alt, it will. If we hold down Shift, you can see it's basically equal constraint. So now this is a circular frame, and if I hold down, if I press any image inside here, and the frame will be filled with that image. And if we see, if I hold down Alt and click on the image, we can copy that image from that frame, and you can see the copied layer, copied image here. Also, we can separate the image from drag down from here. We can outside the frame. So that was for today. If you like this video, please you can subscribe my channel. Take care.